Gold. It's been a symbol of wealth, power, and beauty for thousands of years. But beyond its historical significance, gold remains one of the most important assets in the world today. In this video, we'll dive into why gold continues to be a vital part of the global economy, why it holds such value, and why buying gold might be one of the best decisions you can make for your future. And of course, we'll take a closer look at this stunning 1-ounce gold bar. Stick around, you'll want to hear this. Now imagine holding something in your hand, a pure solid gold bar. It's not just precious metal, it's a store of wealth that has stood the test of time. In a world where currencies fluctuate and economic markets face uncertainty, gold has consistently retained its value. But why is that? Why is gold considered one of the safest investments? Let's take a deep dive into gold's unique properties, its role in the world today, and why more and more people are turning to gold as part of their investment strategy and portfolio. To understand why gold holds such immense value today, let's first explore its history. From ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and the Roman Empire, gold has always been revered for its beauty and rarity. It was first used as currency, then jewelry, and then even in religious ceremonies. In fact, gold was one of the very first metals ever used by humans, and it has been mined, traded, and hoarded for over 5,000 years. But what makes gold so special? Unlike other metals, gold doesn't rust, tarnish, or corrode. This inherent durability and longevity are the key reasons why gold continues to be highly prized around the planet. It's a metal that quite literally lasts forever. It's easy to see why ancient rulers hoarded gold. It has an undeniable timeless appeal. So why does gold continue to hold such value? There are a few key reasons. 1. Scarcity. Unlike other metals, gold is relatively rare, and there's a finite amount of it on Earth. In fact, all the gold that has ever been mined throughout history just would fit into a small room. The limited supply ensures that gold remains a precious commodity. Universal demand is the second. Gold is in high demand, not just for investment, but for technology, electronics, and of course, jewelry. It's used in everything from smartphones to spacecrafts, SpaceX, you name it. Its versatility makes it even more valuable as it has many practical applications beyond simply being a store of wealth. Throughout history, when inflation strikes and paper currencies lose value, gold has typically retained or even increased in value. When you hold gold, you're holding a hedge against economic downturns, currency devaluation, and inflation. That's why investors flock to gold when the stock market gets volatile. Now let's take a look on how gold's price has evolved over the years. 1980s. During a period of super high inflation and geopolitical tension, gold soared to over $800 an ounce. Fast forward to the 90s, gold prices experienced a downturn, averaging around $300 to $400 an ounce. 2008 and 9, the global financial crisis, that many of you guys remembered, triggered another surge in gold prices, breaking $1,000 an ounce mark. 2011, gold peaked at an all-time high, $1,900 an ounce, to economic uncertainty and inflation fears. 2020 and 2021, that was COVID-19 pandemic, gold reached new heights, pushing past $2,000 an ounce as investors sought safe haven assets. Today, gold hovers around $2,700 an ounce, continuing to show its resilience and importance as a store of wealth. As you can see, gold has been proven to be a long-term hedge against economic turbulence, and despite fluctuations, it has always maintained its purchasing power. Over time, gold has continued to rise over in value, making it one of the most reliable investments available. Now let's talk about why you should consider buying gold. Here are a few compelling reasons why I buy gold. 1. Diversification. Gold is a great way to diversify your investment portfolio. Most traditional assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate are tied into the performance of the global economy. When markets dip, gold often goes up. It's a way to balance out the risk in your portfolio. Second, tangible asset. Unlike stocks or bonds, which exist only on paper or on your laptop, gold is physical. You can hold it in your hands, you can sell it, you can buy it, and there's something reassuring about that. Owning physical gold, whether it's in the form of coins, bars, or jewelry, gives you something solid to fall back on. During times of geopolitical unrest, which there's a ton of, natural disasters, also a ton of, financial crisis, gold often becomes a safe haven asset. Investors flock to gold because it's a global store of value, meaning it can easily be traded anywhere in the world. In uncertain times, gold's intrinsic value always remains intact. This 1-ounce gold bar is the perfect example of what makes gold such a powerful investment. At just 1 ounce, it's small enough to easily be stored, but its value is undeniable. This is pure gold, typically refined to 99.99% purity, meaning it's as close to pure gold as you can buy. The great thing about gold bars is their liquidity. They can be bought or sold relatively easily, and they come in standardized sizes like this 1-ounce gold bar, making them convenient for both small and large-scale investors. Whether you're new or a seasoned collector, this gold bar right now is $2,700 and is a tangible way to protect your wealth and keep it in the form that has been valued for millennia. So if you're thinking about buying gold, where do you start? You can buy gold bars in various forms, but one most popular form and accessible options is through gold bars. Whether you're purchasing from a reputable dealer or through financial institutions, it's important to verify the authenticity and the purity of the gold you're buying. Another popular option are gold coins, which are often minted by national governments. These coins, like the American Gold Eagle or Canadian Gold Maple Leaf, are backed by these governments, adding an extra layer of trust. Buying gold is not just about owning a beautiful asset. It's about securing your wealth for your future. And in today's unpredictable world, gold offers a reliable way to preserve and grow your financial standing. So as we wrap up, remember this: gold is more than just a precious metal. It's a cornerstone of the global economy, a hedge against inflation, and a store of wealth that has stood the test of time. Its price fluctuations over the decades have only solidified its reputation as a safe and reliable investment. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on investing and buying gold, or any questions you may have about this incredible, precious, tradable metal. And when you're ready to find the perfect diamond, gemstone, watch, or bar of gold, visit Milestones Fine Jewelry. We'll help you choose it and make sure that you transact safely.